Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so sorry it's been so long since the last video. I've just been busy with school and everything like that. And today we're reviewing this beautiful couples travel trailer that is the KZ Connect C241RLK. And I hope you guys enjoy the tour. And so coming along back here, we do have the vent right here for our refrigerator and heating unit. And then over along here on this wall, close to the door, we have our cable TV hookup. We have two 40-volt outlets. We have the climate package and the warranty from KZ. And we have the lease latch, which is definitely a plus when traveling with pets. As we come on back here, we have our outdoor kitchen. The outdoor kitchen is very nice because it has the little skillet, and it also has the suburban cooktop and a revision fridge. And this is a nice RV because of the Solera power awning. As we come on to the back, we have our backup lights here and over there, and the ladder for the roof. And then right here we have our hookup for our bike hitch, and it is rated to be about 250 pounds. And then as we come on back here, we do have our living room slide, which has the dinette in it, I believe. And then as we come back out here, we have just a nice exterior. Even though it might look like a big white box, it's very clean and sleek. Right here we have our septic tank emptying, and then we have our city hookups right here, and we have the docking station. And then right here we have pass-through storage with our solar chargers in here, because the trailer does have a solar package or does come with solar, depending on one of the options you choose. And then we also have our storage in here for such as batteries, and our charger is a nice over there being stored. As we come on back here, we have our propane tank with the propane covers and battery. We also have our hitch, and we have this nice power jack with a light. Alright, that will about wrap it up for our exterior. We just have two more items, which is the other side of the exterior storage with its docking lights, and our exterior awning and extending and retract. Alright, as we come on inside, we have our screen over here, which is a nice feature to keep bugs out on a cold day. And then right upon entry, we have an entrance to the restroom, which is a nice size. And of course, we do have an entrance to the bedroom without going through a restroom. And as we come on here, we have a nice little closet storage area right at our entrance. As we come on back, starting on the side, we have our nice Furrion RV refrigerator, which is definitely a great brand, especially for RV appliances. And it looks like we got Furrion throughout, with our Furrion oven and stove and microwave. As we come on back here on the other side of the kitchen, we have our nice stainless steel sink, single basin. And as we come on along here, we have a nice long area for food prep. And even though some of it is not accessible by the couch, because of the couch, we do have our outlet here, which is a nice space just to store things out of the way, or just to put a drink down while you're sitting on the couch watching television. And speaking of the couch, that is here at the rear of the trailer. We have more storage above it, and the couch is a hide-a-bed sofa, where there is a bed that is transferable from the couch to a bed. And then as we come onto the other side, we have our interior of our dinette slide with our windows and the nice large dinette, which is pretty large for a couple's travel trailer. Could easily seat 4 people. So as we come on back here, we have our Samsung ATV, and we have our stereo system that is Jensen. And we have more storage and a nice Furrion fireplace. That is, of course, electric. Coming on back here, we have the bathroom with a radius shower, our toilet across from it, which is porcelain, a little closet that is right next to our shower, and then here we have our little sink. And then coming back on into the bedroom, we have a king bed, and the door to the bathroom is a rolling barn door. We have some storage on top of the bed, and we have some storage beside the bed. And then we have our solar control right here. And over on the side of the bedroom, we have our TV backing location and our hookup for a television. And now, just as we head outside, we have some features to go over quickly, or information about the trailer, I guess. So here we have the model name, we have the VIN number of the specific trailer, and then we have the hitch weight and the unloaded weights of about 6,000 pounds. And then right here we have some more information, such as the weight of the cargo, so about 1,200 pounds, or 1,300 pounds, I guess. So the wet weight is going to be around, let's see, 7,300 pounds. So it's definitely a nice light trailer that can be towed with most full-sized large SUVs. And I'm thankful that you guys were able to watch the video, and stay tuned and please like and subscribe, and we'll be here next time. Bye!